Hello and welcome to today's Employer on the Go tutorial. Today, we'll be going over how to enter employee HR information into the Employer on the Go system. The HR information function allows you to track important details such as your employees' continued education and professional certifications, any company equipment with which the employee has been trusted, in-house training programs that they have completed, and much more. To start, we'll hover over the HR tab on the home screen and select Information. We're then brought to the HR Information main screen, which includes 6 tabs that track information in different categories. These are the General, Contact, Education, Training and Tests, Property, and Reviews tabs. These tabs will display information for all of your employees in the same place. The first tab where we are brought initially is the General tab. Here, we can track basic information that pertains to our employees, such as their name and ID number, their state-issued driver's license number, any military affiliations or security clearances, and much more. Next is the Contact tab, which is simply used to track one or more emergency contacts for each of your employees. Their full name, relationship to the employee, and of course their contact information will be held here. The Education tab houses any professional instruction that your employee has received, including the level of education, where it was earned, and when the employee completed their studies. Separate from the Education tab is the Training and Tests tab. This section contains information regarding more job-specific employee training that is typically completed in-house. Details such as a description of the course, the employee's scores, and when any certifications may expire are found here. The following tab is the Property tab, where you may keep track of any equipment that has been loaned or leased to your employees to help them complete their tasks. Items here could be as small as a cell phone or as large as a company vehicle. In this case, we can see that our employee Charlie Brown has a set of keys to the front door of our building, where Bugs Bunny has a Taurus as his company vehicle. Last but not least is the Reviews tab, which permits managers to record review information for their employees, such as any performance ratings and associated promotions and/or raises, if any. Now that we understand the functions of each tab, let's try entering some new HR information for one of our employees. For that, we'll return to the Education tab. To add a new record into any of these tabs, select the Add button in the bottom right corner of the table. If you'd prefer to edit an existing entry, just click on the item you'd like to change and press Edit instead. In the Education tab, let's say that one of our employees, Sterling Archer, has recently started some new schooling. Perhaps he started college at Pennsylvania State University, where he's a part-time student. He has not graduated yet, since he only just started his studies this most recent August. Thus, we'll leave his completion date empty for the time being. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, click Save. The entry is then posted directly to the table. As Sterling continues and completes his schooling, we can go ahead and edit the entry to show that he has graduated and add a completion date. That concludes our tutorial. After viewing this video, you should have a solid understanding of the HR information section of Employer on the Go and be able to edit the details contained within. If you're left with any additional questions or would like to access this and other human resource functions available through Employer on the Go, please contact our operations department. Thank you.